Professor. I will be presenting on behalf of my team, Group 1. And so we would be going through our project as per the requirement. So for today, we would just be doing project implementation without the cloud deployment. So this is the requirement we're going to follow, and I'm going to demonstrate. So first of all, we have 3 applications: the music app, the music API. Let me just close this. The music file library for our model. We also have the app. This is without the API, and then we also have the API, and we also have Docker that we implemented. So I'll be going through each and everything that we've done. So right now I'm running the Musify app. So this is on Swagger. So I'm going to test this out. Now to test this out, I have to be connected to my database. And I connected it through the code, and then I can see it here on Azure Data Studio. So yeah, right now this is the first method get. This gets all the music in our S3 bucket. So yeah, and our database, sorry. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to try to post a method. So it post a song into the folder. So assuming this is the name of the song, then so I'm going to see if it works. So yeah, it shows that there is. Okay, give me a sec. Let me execute this again. Okay. Oh, okay. There is a conflict because we already have a song with ID 1, so I have to use ID 3 and execute. This should work, yeah. So if I run this again, which gets all the list of songs, the new song is published there. So the same thing here. If I want to get just one song, let's say with ID 3, I should be able to get the song. Now this is if I just want to replace the whole what's it called, song in a particular ID, which it's very similar to the patch method, but we would just see how it is. Let me say Sleep Well as the name of the song album. Hit genre hip hop. Artist, come see. This is just very random, but yeah, I should be able to see this update once I click on this. So yeah, it's been updated in the put method, right? Yeah. So lastly, I'm gonna check the patch. So in patch, you just need to replace a particular property in the song, like attribute of the song. So here, yeah, Yeah, so there it is. Now I'm going to try to delete, and I want to delete the last song. So if I delete and I try to get everything, I just have two now. So this is for the Musify app. So I'm going to test it with Musify API. It's very similar as well, but then there are several features that are new. So here we have different method names. In the previous one we had API song. Here in the Musify app we had API stroke song and stuff. Here we have API stroke music, and everything is the same. It's just different here. In our patch method, which is very similar to our put method, here we just have to, okay, let me just post a new song. Let's say I want to post this song, then I can modify that song. Oh, let me see. These are just also random songs. I don't know what January broke. So yes, it's been added. So I'm going to try to add or use the patch method. So here in this patch method, I have to tell what variable I want to change from what to what. Yeah. So operation type is the ID. The path is, assuming I want to change maybe the song name or artist. Let me see, artist. I need to have the same name, Kamsi, to Abbas, execute. Now if I try to get the whole song, let me see if so yeah, so you can see it's been, first of all, I added a new song which had an artist called Kamsi, and then in my patch method I replaced Kamsi with Abbas. So it's been updated in the database. So every other thing works the same way. I can also delete just to demonstrate. 3, and it's been deleted. If I run this again, it should, yeah. So lastly, we deployed this in Docker. So this is our Docker API, like our API in Docker. So if I try to run this Docker, it should run here. Yeah, so it's running now. So the Docker API, like Musify API with Docker, it's the same basically as this. So I will save you the time and won't go through each and every of these methods. Okay. But we also have on AWS, we also have published we've published this API to AWS. We containerized it with Docker, then we published it. I'm just going to sign in with my IAM. Give me a second. So, oh, sorry. So here we have two repositories. The one we are currently using is the public one, which is Musify. We also have the image from Docker, which we published here, and we have the URL. But this is the demonstration for Group 1. Thank you.